Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to discuss about the branches of chemistry. So before going to discuss the branches of chemistry, we should know about chemistry. The basic definition of chemistry is that chemistry is a science that deal with chemical composition, physical properties and chemical changes that occur in a substance. So what is the chemical composition? Chemical composition is basically the composition of any substance. It's how different compounds are formed by different elements. So this is the chemical composition. And what are the physical changes? Physical changes are physical changes are basically related to physical properties, that deal with the physical state. So physical properties may be shape, size, color. It may be melting point or it may be boiling point. So this is the basic definition of chemistry, that it deal with the chemical composition, that how different compounds are formed, what are their composition. It deal with their physical properties, it's mean their physical appearance, or it deal with the chemical changes, it's mean their transition from one form to other form. So this is the basic definition of chemistry. So now let's discuss the first branch of chemistry, that is the physical chemistry. It deals with the structure and changes of matter. So firstly, you should know about matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is a matter. It may be solid, it may be liquid, and it may be gas. So physical chemistry deal with the physical structure, or it may be physical changes of matter. It deal with the structure and changes of solid. It deal with the structure and changes of liquid. It deal with the structure and changes of any gas. So the branch that deal with the structure and changes of matter is physical chemistry. The next one is organic chemistry. It deals with the substance that contain carbon or hydrogen. So in organic chemistry, we deal with the substance or the compounds that have carbon and hydrogen, or maybe other derivatives. So example is quoted here, that is glucose. It is clearly visible that glucose has 6 carbon and 12 hydrogen. So it contains carbon and hydrogen. So that's why it is called, it is a organic compound. So it belongs to organic chemistry. So simply we can say that those substances that contain carbon and hydrogen, they they are actually organic compounds, and they belongs to the branch that is known as organic chemistry. The next one is inorganic chemistry. This is very opposite to the organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, we just study the compound that deal with the carbon and hydrogen, and or simply those compound that contain carbon and hydrogen. But in inorganic chemistry, we deal with the elements and compound except organic compounds. It's mean except carbon and hydrogen containing compounds are, they belong to inorganic chemistry. And in inorganic chemistry, we deal and we study the inorganic compounds. So simply the elements and compounds that are except organic compounds, they are studied in inorganic chemistry. The next one is biochemistry. It derived from two words. Bio mean life, in which we study about living organisms, and second one is chemistry. So simply in biochemistry, we deal with the physical and chemical changes that occur in living organism. Simple example of this branch is the process of digestion. The process of digestion take place in living organism, and chemical changes occur during digestion. So the food is digested in living organism is example of biochemistry. So simply we can say that in biochemistry, we deal with the physical and chemical changes that occur in living organism. And the last one for today is industrial chemistry, that deal with the method and technology for production of substance. It deal with the production of substance, compounds, elements on industrial scale, that how they are produced, what ingredients and what chemicals are needed for the production of any mixture or compound. It deal with the equipment, instrument, physical, chemical changes, and qualitative and quantitative analysis of substance. So simply we can say that the branch that deal with the production of substance on industrial scale, is known as basically industrial chemistry. So these are the different five branches of chemistry for today. We have discussed the basic definition of chemistry, about physical changes, chemical composition, chemical changes, physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, biochemistry, and the last one was industrial chemistry. So this was our today topic, and we'll meet you next time with a new topic. Allah Hafiz.